In 2005, I was in a terrible car accident. I fell asleep at the wheel. I was too tired. I shouldn't have been driving. Next thing I remember is this knock on the window and the smell of burnt wires and blood and dashboard basically in my lap, pain, a ton of confusion, and a voice from that knock on the window saying, "Sir, are you there? Are you there? You've been in an accident. And it's gonna take us some time to get you out. It's pretty bad. But can you tell me your name? Do you know where you're going? What's your birth date? Is there somebody we can call? Stay with us." I think it occurred to me later that, there's this calling from an experience like that, right? That drives you to go and fix problems. My name is Mufaddal Ezzy, and I'm Senior Director of State and Local Government Relations and Public Affairs here at Aurora. I would place safety really at the core, at the center of Aurora's culture. In part because safety is really kind of the primary sort of first principle that we have in our mission. And it's really what we've set out to do. By and large, when I engage people person to person, there's just a lot of enthusiasm and hope for the role that technology and innovation can play in reducing the tragedies that we see on our roads today. They're excited about what it could mean for them and their kids and all of those sorts of things, right? When I think about what we're building at Aurora and our various partners, government institutions, our customers, our communities, we share the same goals, and that is to enhance the safety of our roads.